Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Huwala Lady reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So what are you waiting for? Stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, guys, and it is an online shopping store that deals with women clothing options including various tops, blouses, sweaters, bottoms including pants and jumpsuits, various fashioned or classy dresses and outer wears as well. And you can see the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. And guys, the citizens of India, United Kingdom and United States are curious to know about this website. So let's check out the entire details and let's find out the legitimacy of this website. So coming to the payment options of this website, you can take a look here. They have mentioned the modes of payment including Visa, MasterCard, Mastrio, JCB, American Express, Discover, etc. And talking about the shipping policy of this website, you need to visit the shipping policy page. So here they have mentioned that the items will be shipped within 3 to 10 business days and the delivery usually will take around 7 to 15 business days. Rest you can read for your knowledge, guys. And before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So yes, the site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But when it comes to the legitimacy of a particular site, we need to define various factors including domain age, contact us details, about us information, trust index score, popularity of the website, and so on. So coming to the domain info, the domain name of the site was created on 19th of January 2021 and is only registered for 1 year only. So we can't claim the site legitimate on the basis of the domain age factor. Now coming to the company's detail, let's visit the about us page. So they have provided limited information in 3-4 lines, guys, which is a negative sign. They have not even provided the information related to offerings, and I'm not able to view the info related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. So this is one of the biggest red high alerts. Now talking about the contact details, you need to check out the contact us page. Here they have mentioned email address which doesn't matches with the domain name, which is a negative sign. And you should be aware that the scam and problematic sites use suspicious contact details and scam emails to grow their businesses, which is a negative sign, guys. Now talking about the return policy of this website, let's check out the return or refund policy. So they have mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And this site has no social media presence at all. They have mentioned various social media icons including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube. But when you will click a particular social media icon, you will be redirected to the home page of the particular social media account. So this is again a negative sign. And talking about Huwala Lady reviews, so we didn't found customer reviews about this site on the internet, which is a negative sign, guys. And they have provided short descriptions as well. Guys, bulk order option is on for customers, which is again a negative sign. And talking about the reviews, so no reviews yet. So this makes the site quite suspicious. So guys, these are the loopholes about this site, and the trust index score of the site is 2%, which is really very bad. This site is not much popular online, guys, because it has unknown trustworthiness score. And apart from that, the website is ranked too low among millions of other websites according to Alexa traffic rank. So these are the factors that makes the site quite suspicious. And in the final conclusion, we would say the website appears to be scam. You should stay away from such type of websites. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.